Okay, I don't know if this is video worthy, but it's my channel, so I do what I want. And I just wanted to answer why I don't buy dishwasher detergent. I don't buy the pods, and I don't even buy like the non-pod detergent because I make my own. I started making my own because we did use the pods, and one, they're really expensive when they definitely add up, and they're microplastics, and I just got on the microplastic side of TikTok, and I'm trying to do everything I can to eliminate microplastics. So making my own takes less than 5 minutes for like a month's worth. And I bought the supplies a long time ago, and I don't anticipate running out for a very, very long time. And it's very, very easy. And I just think that anybody can do it. So I'm just gonna share it. Use it if you'd like or not, but there is no coupon better than the price, at least that I have found. Yeah, so I don't buy dishwasher detergents, literally pods, literally unless they're free as like a backup or just to like fill out our stockpile or whatever, because this is just genuinely so easy. So this is a jar from, I don't know what, like peppers or something from Aldi. And it is 1 cup of borax, 1 cup of washing soda, and half a cup of citrus acid. Now, I will admit I purchased all of those things on Amazon before I broke up with Amazon. And so that was more than a year ago. So I can't tell you the prices, but it was very, very inexpensive. And we will have citrus acid to literally leave in our will. We bought such a big container of it, and the other stuff we still have. It literally takes 5 minutes. You put it in. Well, I mix it in a bowl and just shake it, mix it in a bowl, put it in here, ta-da. This is a new thing that I've started doing. These are the little like do not eat packets that come in whatever, you know what they come in. And I just have saved them because this will, if it doesn't have like an absorbing something in there, it will kind of clump. It still works just fine. It just will kind of clump. So in any event, it is significantly less expensive, and it is so, so easy to make. And on top of that, it is just one of the simplest things that you can do to just get a little plastic out of your family, just your everyday life, because we use the dishwasher every day or every other day. And it also, I feel like it does a little tiny bit in that I'm not buying a plastic bag that was, you know, moved from multiple different places to get to the store where I purchase it, not to mention the actual little dishwasher pods that are also all plastic. So I feel like this is a small thing that I can do as far as the environment's concerned, my family's concerned, just health-wise, but also just it saves a ton of money. And there are a lot of things that are really difficult that you can DIY, and this is not one of them. It's super, super easy. And I know that there are other videos that show this, but I wanted to add in that I put the little whatever it's called, I don't know, the little do not eat pouch. I put that in there, and that is my hottest tip. It helps it from not clumping. So anyways, see you guys later.